Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be doing question 7 of 50 of the top ALJ trick questions, which is the medication trick question. How do you afford your medication? Comes from the judge, right? How do you afford your meds? Well, they're looking to see if you have a side gig to get extra money. If somebody's giving you money, like grandma or your mom or whatever, because then they can use the 1/3 reduction rule for SSI purposes and lower your back pay and then try and lower your forward pay. They're also doing that because they're looking to see if you're actually purchasing your medication. So all of these are the trick questions revolving around how do you afford them? Next thing, do you take them as prescribed, right? This is the, are you making a concoction? Are you mixing them? I take my pills and I put them in the wine bottle and then I take a shot of something and I depth charge it right into that puppy and woo, here we go. So that is kind of what they're getting at with that. Are you taking them as prescribed? Okay, another thing that you really got to go into, and I don't know why, for some reason a lot of the big box firms, well, I know why they don't do it, but even other attorneys, they just ask what side effects, or tell what side effects you get from those medications. Those side effects are important. Your disabilities have side effects. I have a respiratory problem. Therefore, I can't breathe well and I can't walk far. I take this medication. It causes this impairment, or no, it causes this side effect, so I can't go out in the sun. Side effects are important. They show us how you're limited in your ability to work. And your ability to work is based on element 4 and 5, the final elements of disability law, of the 5-step sequential process. All right, that's question 7. Now we're going on to question 8. Also remember, on Thursday, the 9th of April at 8 p.m., I'm putting a date, I'm putting time on it. We're going live on YouTube. You can call me on the 407-279-1754 number. It's somewhere on... It's in this whole whatever thing, okay? And I will run questions with you. Remember, it's our first day going live, so if the whole thing gets muddled up, it's your fault. We'll just go with that. I like it. Or it might be the electronics fault, or, you know, yada, yada, yada. It could be my fault. Didn't press the button right, whatever. So, upcoming Thursday, not tomorrow, but the Thursday, the 9th of April of 2020. If you have any questions, you want the most up-to-date information, give me a call, shoot me an email, and go from there. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.